Hi, I'm Betsy from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble the child stool on the Graco Made2Grow high chair. To use the child stool, start by removing the tray. Thread the crotch and waist straps through the seat pad. Flip the toddler booster upside down. Return the straps to the storage area and slide the 4 storage doors fully closed. Now, pull on the tabs on the seat base and the recline handle on the back of the seat to release your seat back. Finally, snap the legs back into the seat base. And now you're ready to use the child stool.